Hello everyone, and welcome to the second video on my miniDataCentre build vlog. This video is about my Norco RPC-4224 server chassis. If you watched the original video, well, thanks, but this one's quite a bit better. Not nearly as blurry, movement, or wavy, which seemed to be a big issue. I got my camera on a tripod now, so that shouldn't be a problem. Again, this is the Norco RPC-4224, 24 as in 24 hot swap bays. Comes with the caddies. They're metal, and they have plastic on the sides coating them. So you got your screw holes for hard drives. Same on that side. It'll hold a 3.5-inch SATA or SAS drive. They slide in good, and they close easily. Springs are nice and firm. So that's really all there is to that. Now with the handles, there are two handles, of course. The one on the right, you got room for about 2 fingers, 2 USB ports. And on this side, you also got room for 2 fingers. Got your power and reset buttons. 3 LED lights. One is a power indicator, and the other 2 are NIC indicators for NIC 1 and NIC 2. My server's going to have 4 NICs, so I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that yet. Something else to show on the outside. Along the side of the case, on both sides, you've got this piece of plastic here. Now, the purpose of this is to hide the wires for the power button and the USB port on the other side. They go on the outside, inside of this plastic, into a hole inside the case. Not the cleanest, but I'm pretty sure once the rails are on, you won't really see a problem with that. The top cover is held on with 4 screws, 2 on each side. Once you remove them, you just slide it and lift it away, and it's out of the way. And now we are inside. You can see there is plenty of room in here. Let's see if I can get in here for you. Plenty of room for just about any size motherboard. Over here you have your 2 80mm fans. You also have a fan bar right here. And on that fan bar there's 4 80mm fans. Now if you've done any research or have seen any videos or anything, you'll see people talking about the alternate fan bar that you can get for like 20 bucks from Norco. It holds 3 120mm fans. Well, I have that. I just don't have it in yet because I don't have all my fans, but I'm going to replace that. On around here, you can see these right here are all the backplanes. They're held on with 3 thumb screws. I've already removed the screws from the top one. There's these 2 clips that you can use to pull it right out. Slides out, and here's the backplane. This is how the entire thing works. One side you've got your SAS port. It's an 8087, SFF 8087. You got 2 Molex connectors that power these. On the other side, you've got your SATA along with power. You got 4 of them. Each backplane does 4. And they slide in relatively easy. You just break out your thumb screws and screw them in. I haven't had a chance to test mine yet. I have read reviews of people having bad backplanes, whether it be the entire backplane, one port on the backplane, or what, but Norco seems to be pretty good on getting those replaced. You don't have to RMA the whole case or anything like that. I believe they would just send you one and you throw out your bad one, or you send your bad backplane in and they replace it or something. I'm not entirely sure. Either way, they'll take care of it. So it's definitely good and worth noting. Let's go on around here to the back. You can see the slot for your power supply, your motherboard input-output panel. You've got 7 PCI slots. These are the ones you have to break out. You don't screw them back in. Once you break them out, that's it. Not too crazy over that myself. Let's see if I can get in here. So you got to actually break them out. And once they're out, they're out. So keep that in mind. But yeah, that's pretty much the Norco RPC-4224. If you have any questions, let me know on overclock.net or YouTube, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.